Everyone and hello friend, good afternoon. So now in here is very hot, and I'm in school. So uh, I'm come back and I'm turned from Anagdara in 9 p.m. o'clock, and I'm break for breakfast in Sembalun. And next I'm drink coffee in uh, in homestay my friend. And after that, so my friend uh, now I wanna go to the Sanggadang. Hello everyone and hello friend. Next, continue my video. So because nothing Grand Mac, so I'm use this is all car or S-Pass, guys. So now I'm go to the Sanggadang, guys, for pick up Ustazah Royani and student from Flores. You know Flores, guys? You don't know? I hope you now you know. Okay, so everyone, now I'm very tired because I'm nothing sleep. Start from yesterday until now. I'm not sleep, guys. So maybe after I'm come back to school from the Sanggadang, I just for sleep, guys, because now I'm very tired. Okay, guys, after I'm turned from Anagdara, so I photo and make video with tourism, guys, with tourists, and I make video for anniversary school, guys, anniversary school. Everyone, so I'm very excited for adventure. So this is my hobby. I'm very like, but I'm not taking time for this hobby. Okay guys, maybe so I wanna stop in here for buying about for me. Oh. So I just okay.
Ribuan. 5.000. No.
Elabol si Bijan. Bijan elabol.
Apa itu? Manchester.
Ano ya orang asing boy? Ini orang kan. Pirain eh.
Dong, biar aja naik.
Empat enam. Oh, nah, itu ya.
Ini bungkusannya Mas.
Ya. next my video. So I wanna drink, guys, because I'm sleepy, so I wanna drink. Okay guys, next continue my journey. So everyone, next I'm start from Rumbo. Okay guys, I'm not enjoying the journey because I'm tired and sleepy, guys. And so everyone, let's continue my story. And after that, after I return from Anagdara, so I'm look for breakfast in Sabalun. Look for breakfast. And after that, I'm going to homestay my friend for drink coffee. But because in today is Friday, so I'm not long time in homestay my friend. So next, I'm continue the journey for go home, guys. Let's ever go. The road is very bad, guys. Okay guys, maybe in night I'm continue the story. So because now I'm in the road, so enough for my story, guys. So because now I wanna focus for driving. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. See you next time. Bye bye.